Hi and happy Wednesday, guys. So today again is tour day. I've got 3 homes to look at in Annapolis. This weekend's going to be great. We've got the Annapolis In-Water Spring Boat Show as well as many open homes. So folks, if you've got any questions about the homes I'm going to show you today or anything coming up, just shout out, let me know. Thanks. Hi folks, so first tour on a house today is 710 Drake Way. This beautiful 5-bedroom home behind me is in a great neighborhood. It's directly across the street from the community pool and very convenient to transportation and shopping. Folks, let's go look inside. Hi, first house on tour is 710 Drake Way in Annapolis. This beautiful 5-bedroom home, beautifully maintained, absolutely gorgeous, folks, and it's directly across the street from the neighborhood pool. So great community, fantastic location, just minutes from shopping and transportation. This home is $600,000, and if you guys have any interest, please shout out, let me know you want to take a look. Thanks. Hi folks, 3220 Harness Creek Road, beautiful home, 4 bedrooms and right next to the vineyard. Let's take a look inside. Hi guys, this is 3220 Harness Creek Road. This beautiful 4-bedroom home is well maintained with lots of space and gorgeous views of the neighboring vineyard. So if you've got any interest in this home and its cottage, just let me know. Thanks. Hi, so last house on tour is 124 Archwood. This home is full of character in a fantastic neighborhood. Let's go take a look. House on tour today is 124 Archwood. It is a beautiful character-filled home in Murray Hill. It's great. It's a fantastic community. If you're interested in taking a look, reach out. I'd love to show you this beautiful home. Thanks.